Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the MAFNKOU 16-inch portable monitor screen extender. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. So as we get the box open here, not too much to display before we demo it. We're going to have a USB-A charger, charging block. You'll have a couple different cables, USB-C to USB-C. Your information manual here, your USB-A to USB-C, and this looks like it'd be HDMI to USB-A or a mini. We'll open it up real quick actually so that we can confirm rather than guessing. So this is a standard HDMI to a mini HDMI. I don't know that you necessarily need it, but it's good to have that as an option. Again, check your instruction manual so that you can know all the details. And then we'll get this open. Sorry, not getting it done here very nicely. Pretty tight. There we go. So pretty standard. Now I got my fingerprints all over it. Got a mic area, power, buttons, stuff like that. Speakers, USB-C, USB-C, mini HDMI, and then of course we'll have our stand, so we can set this up right next to our laptop or a computer. So we'll go ahead and test this out and take it from there. All right, so sharing kind of the most basic setup. First of all, it's very bright. It's actually brighter than my laptop, which is great. It's larger than my laptop, so like when I'm doing a presentation or anything, this would be a perfect solution. So let's just talk about the setup that I'm using. I'm using the HDMI to the mini HDMI, and then I've got a power plug. Now, I use a portable power plug, you know, just for my personal use, but this is a decent length cord that's just going to be a USB-C that can plug in there. So you can set that up kind of however you need to, but for my purposes, this thing is absolutely awesome. Definitely worth buying. Beautiful screen, beautiful capability to just sync everything up. So great portable monitor. Hopefully this review has helped you. Thanks for watching.